So, guys, good morning. This is Saturday morning, and I'm doing a recap of what has actually happened or what has been going on throughout the week. And yeah, you can see I had a new hairstyle. You can see how fresh I am. I was trying the spiky hairstyle, but I noticed that I wasn't comfortable with the hairstyle. So now I have a change of hairstyle, and yeah. So guys, about the trade this week, it has been really interesting and challenging also, because the trade I took for EU have been on the trade for like 3 weeks, as you can know. The trade will go down close to my first level target, but then it will go back up, and I'll be in, like, let's say my entry position, just some small loss, but it will still come back, go up, come back, go up. So yeah, yesterday was NFP, and it came down back close to my first level target, but I'll see how it happens for next week. And yeah, for the trade for USD CHF, it played out as I analyzed. Remember I told you that the yellow zone, I was worried about that. So when it got to that zone, it reacted. And there was something I'll be trying out. There's something I'll be trying out for my consummate account. I'll be trading it aggressively, but with small entries, because I analyzed something like, if I'm trading conservatively, my losses are slim, but for the aggressive, my losses are high. Let me say around 40% loss, or maybe 60% either. But for the conservative entries, the losses are slim, but the profit target is more like 1:1 or 1:2, or probably 1:3, and that could take weeks, like days and weeks, before it gets to that 1:3. But for the aggressive, it can even give you let's say from 1:6, 1:10, 1:13, yeah, for the aggressive. And if it's for 1:3 for the aggressive, it can even give you within that day or the next. So I'm planning on trading the consummate with aggressive, but with smaller entries. I even saw a trade, and I took it for USD CHF for sale, and I entered a little bit around aggressive and conservatively. So I'll just say aggressive. I entered aggressively, and I locked in profit, and I left like 20% of the trade running, but because I was scared of the yellow zone, and when it got to the yellow zone, it reacted. Yeah, so I'll be showing you guys on the charts. I'll analyze it on the chart and show you. And I'll soon be done with the animation I'm working on for Dapo Willis, and it's just remaining the audio. I was planning on posting the video today, but I had a change of mind, because I think Dapo and Willis Capital, they'll be having like a session tomorrow, and I think tomorrow will be the best time to post the video, because that'll be when everybody will be active. Dapo Willis will be active, Willis Capital will be active, and also the students and every other people. So I think tomorrow will be the best time for me to post the video. That is Sunday. I'll be posting the video on Sunday. I'll round up everything today, and yeah, bye for now. So guys, my trade for EU, remember I took the trade at this point, I think on the 16th here, and yesterday was 2nd. Today is 3rd, Saturday, and I think this trade has been running for a very long time now. You can see how it has been testing me out. The market will go up to my entry zone, come down, give me some profit, go up, come down, go up, come down. And yesterday, this was NFP. The market came down here, and I don't know what news happened, and it went back up. So it came back to this place. I was watching this market, then it came down with NFP. And this is what I'm talking about. If I wanted to enter aggressively, I would have entered here and set my SL probably at this point, or somehow here. But I'll be using um small. The money I'll be risking will be small, probably like from $10 to $20 instead of risking the whole $50 or so, or $100. So for this trade, I'm risking around $50. Yeah, for the EU. I'll be locking in profits. I think 70 to 80% of my profits. Then if it breaks this zone, then I'll be looking for to add more positions for it to come down. But yeah, let's see how it goes because the market has been really, really choppy. It has been ranging. And for USD you can see I entered the market. So at this point, it's ranged, and the market came down with this week, hit my first level target. I locked in profit, and I locked in half of my profit, and I left half running. Out of the half, it was 0.02. I put 0.01 at break even, and I left the remaining one at this point. So when the market came down to this zone and came back down, I took an entry for, yeah, that is for consummate. Yeah, this was the aggressive entry I was talking about. I took entry and I set my SL above this consolidation, above this place. So this was also my first level target. I locked in profit and I left just 20% running. I set the 20% on break even. The market came back up, hit me on break even. But for some reason, I would have set the remaining um, lots I had for my Willis Capital. This one was with Willis Capital. I would have set it as break even, but because I forgot, the market came up here, and I was like, okay, I'm going to set the SL at this point. So the market took me out, and yeah, and just for a small loss. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I'll be observing the market for next week, and let me show you the trade for GBP AUD. You can see I was gunning for this point, but the market came down back to this blue zone and it's reached this point. So I'll be looking for opportunity for me to buy the market to the upside. But if it continues to range, I don't think I'll be interested in this market. So yeah, that'll be all for now.